YouTube, what's going on, mains? What's up, YouTube? Hey, weather out here breaking, man, so it's time to start getting back out here, putting in that work, man. Shoot, today is the first nice day of the year, so guess what? I'm out here, YouTube. I'm out here. So, man, it's been a minute too, man. I've been working on other stuff though, man. Let me get y'all turned around, man. Get y'all turned around. So yeah, I ain't really did nothing, man. Well, since the last video, which is that part right there. But she dusty, man. She dusty. Real dusty. But she's still clean. I don't know if the camera picking up this dust over here. It's really dusty. I ain't really did nothing to it. I ain't washed it since the last time since the first round of buffing. So it's been collecting dust. But man, your boy messed up, man. Moving some stuff around in the garage, man. Actually, I was trying to make room for this truck to fit. So I needed to change the radiator in it. So I was trying to make room for both of them. So I was trying to stuff this one in there, move some stuff around, move this motor around, and was trying to bag this mug back in there, squeeze it in, and look what happened, man. Let me get it close up, man. I see that. Oh, man. Let me turn this lights off, man. Making me do some weird stuff, man. But look at that, man. Matter of fact, hold on, YouTube. I gotta let y'all see this. Cut the light on here. But basically, it was backing up, didn't see it, man. That's what happened, man. So I scratched the mess out of it. And it's through the paint too, and ain't no buffing this out. It look ugly, but I'm gonna have to definitely put some more paint on it. And then if you look at it from the side, it's got a dent. It's got a little baby dent. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to sand it down, and I'm gonna have to fix the little dent in it. There's a little baby dent in it. Then sand it down. Anyway, I want y'all to see how I look now. And then see how I look when I get through. Hopefully, man, I can just do a quick little touch up without having to shoot this whole panel, man. I know I've been able to do a couple little touch-ups without having to do nothing crazy, but if it come to it, man, it's just gonna be added time to finishing this mug. But if it gotta be done, it gotta be done. But I'm trying to definitely avoid it right now. So we'll see. So I'm about to get it sanded down, and I'll turn y'all back on YouTube in a minute. Start working on my door trim, or roof trim, I should say. So you see that, all this gunk and black stuff. So I'm gonna clean that off, and then I'm gonna put that on and clean it off, and then be ready to install it. So let's go. Put my glasses on, man. Let's start shooting out. good enough. Got majority of it. That stuff nasty. Alright, get this. So here it is right here. Should be a smooth fix. Got it smooth and everything, so paint should go right over it, no problem. But if everything go right, it should blend with no problem without using clear coat blender. I know the paint gonna blend, but as far as clear coat, I'm gonna buff it anyway, so hopefully everything turn out right. I'll hit y'all back. And I'm gonna paint it tomorrow or Saturday. That's gonna be the hottest day of the week. Tomorrow is Saturday, so I'm gonna paint it then. But let me show y'all something, what I got going on right now. Starting to put these trim pieces on. And I cleaned them up. They looked worse than that. But then I'm gonna buff them. Cause I tried working with them off the car and I won't have any luck. So while they stationary, I can go and hit them. Think it'd be better that way. So I got this part to put right here. This is right here. I clean it up the best I can. Once I do that, I can go back and hit it with the window tracks or whatever you call these things. And then after that, I can put the rubber on. But I gotta put a little glue right there. Like that part tried to come up. And I definitely want to take care of that before I put all the trim on. Also the trim around here. That's next too, this weekend. Whatever day. Cause I want to get this, hopefully I can get this stuff wrapped up this weekend. I ain't really got much to do this weekend. I kind of want to dedicate the whole weekend, you know what I'm saying, with just working on the car, man. If I could do that, man, then I can get a lot done, you know. But it always seemed like every step I take, man, I take 2 or 3 back. Man, oh yeah, that's smooth. I ain't gonna be able to see that. Once the paint get on there, that's gonna be... It was a dent too, that's why I had to put on there. I had to fill a dent. But it's smooth now, so I should be cool. But, yeah, y'all. Plugging away. I'm gonna sit the camera down and put y'all on a stand. I'll be right back with you. I don't put this last piece on YouTube. Attempt to. At least. Just like that. It's in there. Go ahead. Put the go ahead and put the screws in it. I don't even see the other hole though. Actually, that one screw good. I don't know, it might be like a defect because the hole is in the wrong spot. I don't know what's going on with that, but I'm gonna put the other piece on. And shoot, this side will be buttoned up. Alright, YouTube, just a close-up of it. It's actually sealed pretty good. Yeah, it's ended up being a winner. Sealed pretty good right there. Sealed pretty good up here. As good as it gonna get. Like I said, I'm gonna clean this trim up. Just easier for me to clean it while it's on the car. So I'll be right back with y'all, YouTube. Alright, YouTube, got the outer door sealed on there. I ain't about to bend down, but you see it. See it. Hey, this whole kit ran about $250. Not bad, not bad. Name brand of it is Metro. Got it from Summit Racing. That's the part number if anybody interested. Got a cut dog from I think years 73 to 77. That's what you need right here. Summit Racing. Alright, I'm gonna get y'all set up. I'm gonna do the other side, and the other side gonna be basically the same way. Gotta put all this trim and all that on there, and then yeah. Get that weather stripping on there. Get this side prepped. I'll be right back with you. What up, YouTube? So I had to put another skim coat of filler on there, cause when I started painting, when I got the color on there, I seen still a slight little dent in there, which I didn't see at first. But this should cover it right here. I'll send that out, and then I'll reshoot the color on there. I had to also sand it out a little more, cause let me get this thing out the way. Cause if you look at it, I got clear coat on this unsanded area, so I just took it back with 1500 back. So my goal is to just get color on this area right here. I had that taped off. Get color all over here. Sand that 1500, sand that back here with 1500. Get the color on there, get the clear on there. Let it sit for a couple days, and then I should be able to buff it out. But it look ugly right now, but end results, I'm shooting for not being able to tell anything was right there. So yeah, YouTube, I'll get back with y'all in a minute on the update, but that's what I got going on right now. But yeah, in a minute.